welcome to the Lake Berryessa. We're a ship of 4 today, and we're all talking on frequency. And so there's one spot here that we like to come, which is really nice, but it seems to be a little bit windy, so we're going to check the conditions first.
Hey, give me a wing lag, I've lost you.
Okay, wing lag coming up, and I lost Alex.
Steve, if you look at your 2 o'clock, there's a shoreline down there, and that's where Stumpy is.
Up.
I'm going to do a pass and put the smoke on over Stumpy so you guys can see what it is, and now so we can see the wind and what's doing for the smoke.
That is cool.
There are some cows. I'm going to check them out.
Pull up.
Oh, there's a bunch of geese, right?
Yeah, I got you inside too, Alex.
Is that a watermelon?
I've got Nigel and Steve, but I don't see Alex yet.
Alright, if you guys see the smoke, that's basically the runway. I did a low pass.
How far up from the shore, Alex?
Terrain.
Do you guys see the smoke on the shore?
Yeah.
It's pretty close to the shore.
Alex, I got you down low, passing off to my left here, and I'll just stay here and follow Nigel and Steve.
Yeah, sounds good. I have you.
Cool.
I'm right on final.
Are you going to put down?
Yeah, I might do.
Okay, Nigel, I got you in sight, and I'll just watch you land, and I'm not going to land. I'll do a overfly.
Okay. Alright, I'm down.
Nice one, man. Looks good. I'm coming right behind you, low pass.
Alright, cool. Hey, Jeff, just come nice and slow, and if it doesn't feel good, doesn't put down, but just come slow.
Roger that. I saw where Nigel touched down and looked good, so I'll come around again, and yeah, if I'm not liking it, I'll go around for sure.
Up.
I'm turning left crosswind now.
Right over there. And over there.
Oh, right over another one. And now it's a spiky one.
Oh, man. What a mess. Alright, welcome to Stumpy. Very nice, very nice.
Look okay?
Looks good. Make sure you find the stump. You land after it.
I see.
And remember, you're gonna float, so pull the power out before. Perfect. Flaps down, brakes. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. That's your first on-site landing. Congratulations.
Thanks. Now if I can just stop shaking.
You get the jitters on the foot?
Yeah, I definitely have some jitters for sure, man.
That's awesome. It is crazy windy here, and we made down. We have the we got the KITFOX, and then we have the Aero Track, and then we have the IDAHO. That's the original. Hey Steve, is that the original IDAHO?
Yeah, this is the first one that Steve Henry built back in 2005.
That's awesome. Yeah. Looks very cool. Look, it almost wants to fly by itself. It's like it wants to go. Very cool. And we have the KITFOX, the Yellow Devil, 666 Delta Yankee.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going.
everybody choose.
Okay, Steve, taxiing out.
Curfew, 'cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you. Pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, 'cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
Caution.
I see your shadow. Nice. All right, go ahead, Jeff. Here we go. Really cool, guys. That was fun. Nice. That smoke looks so cool.
Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, 'cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you. Pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, 'cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.